The Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, has been at the forefront of advancing scientific research and technological innovation from fundamental science to frontier technologies. The Technology Translation and Innovation Division plays a pivotal role in bridging research impact into real world by empowering entrepreneurship, fostering deep tech and strengthening India's innovation ecosystem. We ignite innovation and fuel economic growth by empowering tech entrepreneurship aligned with Startup India initiatives launched in 2016 for a self-reliant innovation-driven Bharat.
हिंदुस्तान का कोई जिला, हिंदुस्तान का कोई ब्लॉक ऐसा न हो कि आने वाले दिनों में नए स्टार्टअप शुरू न हुए.
Under Nidhi Umbrella Program, DST-TTI supports to transform ideas and innovations into successful startups through key initiatives like Nidhi Prayas, EIR, Center of Excellence and TBI. In 2021, DST-TTI launched Inclusive TBI program. Over the past year, 17 new ITBIs have been established across the country, including first ITBI in AIIMS Patna with a focus on life science. Sona Incubation Foundation specialized in wearable devices and Sangam ITBI dedicated to textile and apparel sector. The newly established ITBIs were inaugurated by Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Science and Technology.
The DST has recorded 926% rise in budget in the last 10 years. The TBIs, Inclusive Technology Business Incubators, 9 new have been included today, with a focus on Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities.
Sector-specific ITBIs are driving the advancement in AI, ML, deep tech, health tech, agri-tech, circular economy, waste management, biotech, clean tech, robotics, IoT and more, building robust tech infrastructure for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Through the ITBI program, DST envisions a tech-driven, inclusive society aligned with the Vikasit Bharat mission. DST provide the comprehensive support, including infrastructure at host institution, ignition grant to startups and financial assistance to incubator for organizing events, faculty development programs and ecosystem building initiative. Since 2022, DST's Technology, Translation and Innovation Division has addressed systematic gaps by establishing 48 inclusive TBIs across leading academic institutions and Tier 2, Tier 3 cities across India, from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, Rajkot to Agartala, nurturing equitable, scalable innovations across India. In just 3 years, a silent revolution has taken shape with 593 startups incubated, 186 received ignition grants, 107 led by women and SC/ST entrepreneurs, 123 patents filed, 77 patents granted.
It is about building a self-reliant India where science and innovation truly uplift the lives and shape our future together.
From the remote town to research labs, the innovation is no longer confined. It is inclusive and it's Indian. DST fuels